morning लोगोफोर मा खबर दिनै जाहैबाय day 2 in Thailand Phuket आव दं जोङो दिनै Phuket city बेरायगोन मा जायगायाव बेरायो मा खालामो जोङो नोंथांमोननो बे भिडिअनि थ्रुयै देखायलांगोन आसा खालामो नोंथांमोनहा मोजां मोनगोन दा गारिया लांफैबाय गारिया माबायदि देखायनि आं र' बिदिनो 10 जनसो गाखोजागोन टेम्पो ट्राभेलारफोर बादि खिन्थु कमप्लिट एयार कन्डिशनिं मिनि बास बायदि आरोखि नोंथांमोनखौ देखायलांगोन मा जोङो नायो दिनै खिन्थु बाहेरायाव ओरैबायदि अखा हागासिनो दा मा जागोन मिथिला बोरै नायनो साथा गैया मा गैया बोरै ओंखारगोन मिथिला आरोखि एनिवेज बासाव गाखोनायनि पास गैया नालाय होख्लायबाय दाना ओंखारजोब्बाय फुङाव मा जादोंमोन दा जों थांगासिनो एलिफेन्ट राइड नोंथांमोना नायनो हायो मोजां एक्सपिरियेन्स फार्स्ट टाइम खालामफेरदों मालाबाबो खालामाखैमोन जिरायनो दिगदारथार खिन्थु लेफ्ट खालामखांबाय जोङो थांगासिनो दङ बिग बुद्धा टेम्पल नायनो बुंनांगोन दे बिराद डिसिप्लिन प्लास लामाफ्राव जेबो मैला माबा गार्बेजफोर नुनाय नङा आरोखि ओरैबायदि साफा मेनटेन खालामदों दा बेफोरबायदि जिनिसखौ आइ थिंक जोंबो जोंनि कान्ट्रिफ्राव जोंनि देशफ्राव इमप्लिमेन्ट खालामनांगौ
Big Buddha came start born in about 2002, maybe about 17 years. Right now not finished, everything not complete, everything not finished. Me don't know when to finish because waiting for the donation from the local people, solid people and so many people that to support building here also. Everybody you can see the Big Buddha made from the white stone. White stone like is mean marble stone. Marble stone not from Thailand, import from Brahma. Import from Brahma. Cobalt marble all together. So very high of the Big Buddha about 45 meter and the cost about 24 meter. Right now we can go inside. You see entrance our mat. You can go inside. You can see our the step 98 step. We can go there. 98 step. We can go there. And you can walk around Big Buddha. You can walk around Big Buddha looking for the Lord of the Buddha. And you can see of the viewpoint from the Big Buddha all together. Like a Phuket city view, Chalong Temple, Beach. PP Island, Chalong Island, and so many islands. Everybody we can see from the Big Buddha also. And you can go on other side looking for the seat hand of the Buddha, hand of the Buddha, and the foot hand of the Buddha. Next to everything of the Buddha, you can see Kata beach and Kurun beach all together. Everybody we can walk around up there. So many construction. You know construction? A lot of construction. Be careful. Take care by yourself. There's only one way up there, and you can reading the side or the board. Walk down step there, and the Cashew and the same way outside. One way up and one way down. So you have time walk around here maybe about 30 minutes. Finish time maybe about 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Right now 2:30. Finish time 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Come back outside. I waiting you outside. Please to be on time, not late. If you late time, no time. Go to the Tiger Kingdom. What time you come back here? What time you come back? 3 o'clock. Not late now. 1 minute not late. Not late now. 1 minute not late. 3 o'clock. Outside.
हाँ बीच देखेंगे चलो बे जाहैबाय बिग बुद्धा स्ट्याचु नोंथांमोना खिथुआव नुहुरबाय जानो हागौ बेनिफ्राय बिराद मोजां साइट सिन आरोखि फिफि आइलेन्ड मा नोंथांमोना बेनिफ्राय नुहुरगोन